you knock over your camera? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hello. Good morning. How are you? Oh, look at you. Look at you. You're so beautiful. Yes. Let's do your litter box. I hope I have more cat litter. Oh, you're so adorable. Oh, what a good girl. Oh, you're so cute. Are you so cute? Let me open this. Oh my gosh, what's happening here? Oh, a little Aurora eyes. What is that? What was that? Oh, kitten pile. It's a 5 kitten pile up, everyone. Oh my goodness. They're so cute. They're so adorable. Did you make adorable babies? Oh, I think you did. Alright, let's go. Well, hello, my little darling. I know. Let me get you some more water. Okay. Well, hi, it's just me. Just me. There you go. I know. Lots of space for the mama. These two can go. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. You're so cute. Let's see. Oh my goodness. I want one of these. I really like these. Here. Adorable. Oh my goodness, look at these little babies. They're so cute. Oh, so cute and wobbly. So, don't forget that Eve's friend Megan will be watching out for her today and tomorrow morning. So, let's weigh these little pudgers. They're so adorable. Oh my goodness, so adorable. Hi, good morning. Are you gonna start squeaking? Are you gonna be squeaking? Look who's got eyeballs. Hi, Mama. I might make your baby squeak. Oh, look. Cyrus has 2 eyeballs. 2 of them. Oh, so handsome. Hi, little mama. Okay, let's do squeaky pants. Oh, he has 2 eyeballs too. Look, some eyeballs. Wow. There's a good VIP experience for everyone. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Is everybody awake now? It's okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, lungs. 224. She's okay. Oh my goodness. Lungs. You got some good lungs, don't you? So, Aurora. Oh my goodness. So filled with the woe. There's your mama. If you want your mama, she's right there. Oh, before you get plugged in, let me just weigh you. Oh, Izzy, you're so cute. Oh, so cute. 249 for Izzy. Up a little. And look how beautiful she is with her eyeballs. Eyeballs. She's so beautiful. Look at her eyeballs. Oh, just adorable. There you go. Oh, yes. Oh my goodness, before this one is the noisiest. Let's see, do you have more? Oh, your eyeballs are taking a while, aren't they? He's only still got about half an eyeball on each side. Oh, Pip. 288. 288. He's focusing all his energy on getting pudgy. Extremely pudgy. Oh, and little Otto, he's a good boy. Look at Otto. Let's see. Otto's got eyeballs. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Oh, look at the eyeballs. Oh my goodness. Oh, you're so cute with your eyeballs. Otto. 247. Uh-oh, I'm gonna have to unplug the Cyrus. Oh no, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Cyrus has eyeballs too. He's so handsome. So handsome. Got a little bit of eye discharge. Let me just get that. There we go. Now you're. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. 283. Good job, buddy. Oh, big boy. Oh my goodness, what a big boy. What a big boy. Oh, so adorable. I should also try to take the pictures. Of course, now they're all eating. Oh my goodness. Okay, before you plug in, I'm going to take your picture. I know. Just take a minute. I think we better. Let's see. Oh, you're so cute. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, he's so cute. Oh my goodness, noisy, noisy. Alright, I guess I better use them. Oh no, Otto's unplugged, so I will take him for a photo and then bring him right back. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, he's so photogenic. Oh, the cuteness. Oh, the cuteness. There you go. There's your mama. Oh, look. Pip unplugged himself for me too. I know. Oh. Oh my goodness, so cute. Oh, noisy. Oh look, so convenient. I don't even have to unplug. This one will be fast. Oh, okay. Oh, and look, Izzy, good job. Good job, everybody. Everybody wants their photo taken today. Little toes. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Little toes. It is so hard to take photos because she's so busy looking around. Alright. Yay, I got everybody's photo. What are you doing? Hmm? Go see your mama. What a good mama. Such a good mama. So, alright. That's good photos and weights on everybody. The internet, although it seems okay now, it seems to be broadcasting okay now. I am broadcasting the private Sloan cam on the same internet connection on like low quality, but it may affect this feed from time to time. Hopefully not too bad. It says it's perfect streaming right now, so if you're having problems now, it's probably on the other end. Sloan is doing well. I haven't been in yet today because I see these guys first to minimize risk of contamination. But she has been out and about exploring, sitting on the windowsill, grooming, eating, all the things that cats do when they're not super stressed. So I'm very happy about that. Hopefully it will continue. It's totally normal for moms to look like they're biting the babies. It's part of how they teach them manners and to listen, and it does not harm the baby, so don't worry if you see that happening. If anyone was around during Dorothy, she would actually grab the kittens and bunny kick them. That was more of like a play thing. but at this stage, it's totally normal for her to put her mouth on the kittens. She's not biting hard. Even if they squeak, they just don't like being you see like how when I pick them up, they squeak. They just don't like being restrained. And so she's definitely not hurting them. Nothing to be concerned about if you see that happening. Totally normal. Totally normal. So bite on. Okay. So I'm going to go check on the Sloan and give her her food and everything. Megan is going to be here later today and tomorrow morning, and then I will be back tomorrow in the evening, and Megan is just down the street. The house human will be around, so don't worry about kittens. They're going to be fine. Kayla from Laps is on call in case of emergency. We are covered all around, so the only thing I can think of that might happen is if she knocks over a camera or something. You might have to wait for Megan to come and put it back up. So that's the worst case scenario, I think. I will try to tape the cameras though, just in case. I don't know when Sloan is going to have her babies. I don't think it's going to be tonight. I hope it's not tonight, but even if it was tonight, there's nothing I can do to help her since she's feral, and it would actually be incredibly stressful for her if I was anywhere nearby. So the best I can do for her is provide a safe environment where she feels safe and she has access to food, and then if something does go, probably the biggest risk is that she'll have the babies and then she'll be too stressed to care for them. I'm hoping that's not the case. Her behavior over the last day, just how much more comfortable she is now than she was when she first arrived, is encouraging, but it's certainly no guarantee. I do have 2 cameras in there so that I can see what's going on. With the exception, there are a few corners in the room that I can't see, so hopefully she will not decide to have her babies randomly in a corner. But she does have several nests to pick from. She's been spending time in the various nests. So I am hoping that she has the best possible chance of success at this point, even though it's a little, well, it's more than a little nerve-wracking, but I hope that we will be able to learn a lot from this whole thing, so that when we have to work with feral cats going forward, we will start to figure out what it is that makes them more stressed and what it is that makes them less stressed, because stress is such a huge factor in everything we do with feral cats. So the kittens, yeah, it's super unusual that a human would have to intervene with cats. I don't know why I've gotten 2 in a row that have needed help, but that's unusual. Most mom cats have great instincts and they know exactly what to do. But if it does look like she's going into labor tonight or anything like that, I do have Kayla available, and the only scenario in which one of us would interfere is if Sloan has the babies and isn't caring for them, or if she is in distress having the babies. The only thing is we can't, because she's feral and we can't handle her. If we had to do an emergency C-section, we would lose the babies because of the anesthesia that would be required and the sedative in order to even handle Sloanie. So that is a measure of extreme last resort. Quite complicated, this feral cat thing. And much higher risk on any number of levels. But I think it's a good opportunity to learn something and hopefully help hopefully help save some lives. Possibly in a kinder way. If we can figure out what they're, if we can figure out how more of them respond to, or how we can basically provide a lower stress environment for them, we will have better outcomes for sure. All right, the cameras have been sort of taped. Hopefully. Let's see. Okay. I don't know where she is going to the bathroom because I am really minimizing my time in there as much as possible. So I've looked around quickly, but because I've made her a forest environment, it's a little bit tricky to tell, and the lighting is very dim in there, so it's not super easy to tell at a quick glance. When I get back, I will definitely find out because I'll need to clean and make sure that it's clean in there. But mostly, I think the most important thing at this point is to leave her alone so that she feels safe and make sure she has food and everything she needs. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm gonna go do that, and then I will see you guys. Oh, I should put your litter box back. Do you think that you would like that? I think you would probably like to have a litter box. Okay. Close the window. All right, perimeter is secure. Bye, little mama. You have a fun time. Bye, kittens. Oh, be good. All right, bye, everybody.